to the Labour Party of India 58th session uploaded on the YouTube. We are working for the formation of organized self-employment ministry budget act in the parliament. By this act, right of pension fundamental right. This is the fist, the symbol of Labour Party of India. We are working for making right of pension fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing to certain ministry office fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget. We should be preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, direct link to ministry and budget. There should be three budget system: annual budget one ministry, railway budget one ministry, and organized self-employment ministry. We should have direct ministry connection, direct budget connection, and constitutional validity on income work, educational certificate per day, fiscal credit wage, and self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing to certain ministry office fundamental right. Our constitutional life should be between 0 to 18 years and 18 to 58 years for all by self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. Labour Party of India is working with fist of the hand. We have made fiscal credit table. By this, each one will be given constitutionally credit, and on that basis, we in the organized self-employed ministry budget act will be given 56-hour work according to qualification, age, gender, ability, disability. This organized self-employed ministry budget activity is also called OSMBI 2001 Act, Sardapur, India. It is having the facilities that you can work in the private sector and you can also work in the self-employment government job sector. Means together you can work and you can earn from both sides. This is the benefit of the Labour Party of India. And Labour Party of India, this is also called Economic Independence Act, because by this act each and every person will have fundamental right to get self employment government job, and the work will be given according to qualification, age, gender, ability, disability, and flexibility. Plus, in the organized self-employment ministry budget address proof and the office address will be given. Apart from this, gazetted officer signature, all these will be united, will be given for the administrative benefit. So this is the benefit of that. This act was made in 2001 when Indian population reached 100 crore, because according to the requirement, when the constitution was made at that time we were having 33 crore. According to that, the requirement change, and now we are having 150 crore. We are suffering. So for that, organized self employment ministry budget act is required. By this act, each and every person will be getting self employment government job, because basic requirement like breathing on this earth we require employment, and this employment is only possible when we will be passing in the parliamentary act. And we are also supporting the Globalization, Liberalization, Privatization Act 1991 plus Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Act, because here only thing is that we are adding the employment by the self-employment level, and by self-employment level any person has, just we are giving training in that. So organized self-employment ministry budget act work on the principle of Amiteshwarism. In this, illiterate is getting 165 rupees per day credit, and on that 2500 salary is provided according to qualification, age, gender, ability, disability. For the literate, means those who are knowing alphabet, those who are knowing alphabet A B C D X Y Z and OI Kshatriya or any language schedule in the constitution, he will be getting 180 rupees per day for the 56-hour work, and salary 2750. For the fifth pass, 250 rupees, salary 3500. For the eighth pass, 300 rupees per day, salary 4500 rupees. For the 10th pass, 375 rupees, salary 5500 rupees. For the 12th pass, it is 430 rupees, salary 6500 rupees. For the graduates, 500 rupees, salary 7500 rupees. For the postgraduate, 560 rupees, salary 8500 rupees. For the MPhil, 620 rupees, salary 9500 rupees. For the DLED, 680 rupees, salary 10,500 for the PhD, 750 rupees per day plus 56-hour work according to qualification, age, gender, ability, disability, flexibility, plus 11,500 work. If we want to earn more, for that 10 MA degree or 10 BA degree or 10 MPhil degree or 10 DELET degree or 10 PhD degree or 10 IA degree or 20 10th degree from the organized self-employed ministry budget university, or from the organized self-employed ministry 10th and 12th board, or from any board or any university, we will be giving 50,000. Achieving 10 MA degree or achieving 20 MA degree will provide 1 lakh rupees plus 56-hour work monthly, and 30 MA degree will provide 1 lakh 50,000. Means we can have, plus we can do the private sector work, because here only 56-hour work is provided. So these are the facilities of this act, organized self employment ministry budget act. You can understand by this act that 1 rupees note, if you are providing, if you are coming in the ministry OSMB act office, you are giving this 1 rupees to the organized self employment ministry, the government by this act will accept that yes, on this 10% pension, 10% gratuity, 10% provident fund, 10% dearness, 10% ministry benefit, means 50 paisa will be returned. And on that, plus again in this 50 paisa which is returning, 50 paise is going in the hand of the social security scheme by the organized self-employment, and 10% and again plus 50% is going in the tax. In this way, means the person is getting, means 50 paise plus the benefit of the social security, means the annual budget, means annual means monthly expenditure is 80 lakh 80,130 lakh crore in this, and monthly income of the organized self employment ministry is 40 lakh 40,130 lakh crore, means administrative benefit has been made. We are already spending annual budget of India and railway budget of India and plus the state government, but the system which we had made, it was made in 1947, and with that the population has increased. At that time the population was round about 25 crore, and now it is 150 crore. So the budget expansion plus the main basic at that time was the independency, political independence. Now it is economical independency is also required. So these benefits are coming by this act. So support this act. We are working for the Labour Party of India, but any political party can also make this act. So understand this act, support this act, and in this way it is there. This book is for the Amiteshwarism. This book is based on the principle of the documents, means the documents of the mandirs. Like this is the mandir documents and the reflection of the Hinduism. Like we are first of all Shiv Parvati Welfare Power Mandir oriented, and that is called Rashtrapati Bhavan number 1. Second is Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Mita Vilasa, that is called Vishnu Lakshmi Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan number 2, Rashtrapati Bhavan number 3 is Brahma Saraswati Law Education. In that all the we are writing the books and all that is coming Brahma Saraswati. Fourth is Adi Shakti Jagadamba. We are the followers of Adi Shakti Jagadamba. So mandirs of these are called Rashtrapati Bhavan number 4, and fifth is each united Varshikrit God and Goddess. We are also following the Varshikrit God and Goddess. So this is called Rashtrapati Bhavan number 4, and Rashtrapati Bhavan number 6 is the government, because here we are getting double salary system, one from the government and one from the private sector. So in this 100% salary system is there. So government is there. So 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan is there, and plus 6 more Rashtrapati Bhavan is there in this by the Mandir documents. That is Parsi, Jain, Buddha, Sikh, Muslim, Christian. 6 more religions or minority religions are there. So 6 more Rashtrapati. So 12 Rashtrapati Bhavan are there by this. When we are putting this Mandir documents in the organized self-employed ministry budget, each room is called Rashtrapati Bhavan, and under it we are representing, and we are getting, if we are illiterate, 2,500 for 56-hour work, and if we are achieving 30 MA 1,50,000 for 56-hour work. So these are the benefit of this. Based on that, the concept has been written in the Truth Only Terms book. It is written by Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, and this book is published in 2001. This is the 24th edition of this book. ओम नमः शिवाय पब्लिकेशन प्रेस मैगजीन. हेड ऑफिस इज अमितेश्वर झा, अमित कुमार झा, शारदापुर महातीर्थ. डॉक्यूमेंट कैलाश धाम, बैकुंठ धाम, श्रद्धाम, आदि शक्ति, जगदम्बा धाम, ईच यूनाइटेड गॉर्डन कॉटेज धाम, हिंदू गवर्नमेंट धाम. सो एंड दिस इज द महातीर्थ, शारदापुर, लोना रोड, दरभंगा, बिहार, इंडिया. पिन कोड 847407. मोबाइल नंबर, व्हाट्सअप नंबर, OSMB ऑफिस नंबर 6397360717. email address is osemboffice2001@gmail.com. second, Labour Party of India office 2001@gmail.com. third, Om Namah Shivaya publication office @gmail.com. So these are the contact of this book is in English, and this is costing 651 rupees. Discount is available according to the requirement of the person. You, if you are having bookshop, you can keep this book and sell this book. You can contact on the number which I have given to you. And apart from this, United 6 part of this book is also available in 6 United part, and that is 2551 rupees. Discount is available on both. By parcel it can reach, and if you are having bookshop, you can keep in your bookshop and it can be sold. Reasonable price it is. It is based on the discount. You can avail the discount whatever. Plus, whatever price is being taken in this, if you are purchasing, economical stability is coming. Apart from this, illiterate minimum for 56-hour work, if you are keeping this book, you are getting 83 rupees. For the 10th pass, minimum you are getting 183 rupees per day return. Plus graduate, you are getting, if you are doing 56-hour work, you are getting 250 rupees per day. Postgraduate 283 rupees, and PhD 383 rupees. So 383 rupees. So you can understand how much beneficial this. Support this, subscribe this channel, share this channels, and like this channel, and increase the view in million, and see the result in Parliament of India and Vidhan Sabha. It will be published. Thank you.